Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the second part of preparation of processed products of fruits and vegetables. In this part we are going to discuss on the preparation of fruit beverages. Fruit drinks are popularly used in urban households. Historically, the use of fruit juices began with consumption of orange juice as a source of vitamin C to prevent scurvy. However, today markets are flooded with a large variety of juice, example mango, apple, guava, lychee, grape, pineapple, etc. Fruit juices are defined as either natural or 100% concentrate without added sweeteners. Anything less than 100% concentrate is labeled as drink, beverage, or cocktail. Fruit drinks are defined as calorically sweetened beverages with a small percentage of fruit juice or juice flavoring containing carbonated water. Fruit drinks have less than 20% concentrate and nectars have around 20 to 99% concentrate. Sometimes fortifiers such as vitamin C or calcium are also added to fruit drinks. Fruits and 100% juices contain water, simple carbohydrate such as sucrose, fructose, glucose, sorbitol, high amount of vitamin C and A, and minerals like potassium, calcium, etc. Classification of fruit-based beverages. Fruit beverages are easily digestible, highly refreshing, thirst-quenching, appetizing, and nutritionally far superior to many synthetic and aerated drinks. They can be classified into two groups. Number A, unfermented beverages. Number B, fermented beverages. Unfermented beverages. Fruit juices which do not undergo alcoholic fermentation are termed as unfermented beverages. They include natural and sweetened juices, RTS which means ready to serve, nectar, squash, cordial, crush, syrup, fruit juice concentrate, and fruit juice powder. Barley waters and carbonated beverages are also included in this group. Fermented beverages. Fruit juices which have undergone alcoholic fermentation is termed as fermented beverages. These include wine, champagne, port, sherry, tokay, muscat, perry, orange wine, berry wine, nira, and cider. Preparation of fruit juices. For this, various steps have to be followed. The first is selection of fruit, sorting and washing, juice extraction, de-aeration, straining or filtration, clarification, addition of sugar, fortification, preservation, preservation by bottling. The first is selection of fruit. Only fully ripe fruits are selected. Overripe and green fruits, if used, adversely affect the quality of the juice. The next is sorting and washing. Diseased, damaged or decayed fruits are rejected or trimmed. Dirt and spray residues of arsenic, lead, etc. are removed by washing with water or dilute hydrochloric acid, in which 1 part acid is mixed with 20 parts of water. The third is juice extraction. Generally, juice is extracted from fresh fruit by crushing and pressing them. Screw-type juice extractors, basket press, or fruit pulper are mostly used. The method of extraction differs from fruit to fruit because of differences in their structure and composition. All equipments used in the preparation of fruit juice and squashes should be rust and acid proof. Copper and iron vessels should be strictly avoided as these metals react with fruit acids and cause blackening of the product. Machines and equipments made of aluminum, stainless steel, etc. can be used. Extracted juices should not be unnecessarily exposed to air as it will spoil the color, taste, and aroma and also reduce the vitamin content. The next step is de-aeration. Fruit juices contain some air, most of which is present on the surface of the juice, and some is dissolved in it. Most of the air as well as other gases are removed by subjecting the fresh juice to a high vacuum. This process is called de-aeration, and the equipment used for the purpose is called a de-aerator. Then, next step is straining or filtration. Fruit juices always contain varying amounts of suspended matter consisting of broken fruit tissues, seed, skin, gums, pectic substances, and protein in colloidal suspension. Seeds and pieces of pulp and skin which adversely affect the quality of juice are removed by straining through a thick cloth or sieve. The next is clarification. Complete removal of all suspended matter from juice, as in lime juice cordial, is known as clarification, which is closely related to the quality, appearance, and flavor of the juice. The next step is addition of sugar. All juices are sweetened by adding sugar except those of grape and apple. Sugar also acts as preservative for the flavor and color and prolongs the keeping quality. Sugar-based products can be divided into 3 groups on the basis of sugar content. Number A, low sugar. In here 30% sugar or below. Number B, medium sugar. Sugar above 30 and below 50%. Number C, high sugar. 50% sugar and above. The next step is fortification. Juices, squashes, syrups, etc. are sometimes fortified with vitamins to enhance their nutritive value, to improve taste, texture, or color, and to replace the nutrients lost in processing. Usually, ascorbic acid and beta-carotene are added at the rate of 250 to 500 mg per liter and 7 to 10 mg per liter respectively. The next is preservation. Fruit juices, RTS, and nectars are preserved by pasteurization, but sometimes chemical preservatives are used. Squashes, crushes, and cordials are preserved only by adding chemicals. In the case of syrup, the sugar concentration is sufficient to prevent spoilage. Fruit juice concentrates are preserved by heating, freezing, or adding chemicals. Next, preservation by bottling. Bottles are thoroughly washed with hot water and filled, leaving 1.5 to 2.5 cm headspace. They are then sealed either with crown corks or with caps. Individual beverages. Number 1 is juices. Juices are of two types. Number A, natural juice or pure juice. Number B is sweetened juice. Natural juice or pure juice. It is the juice extracted from ripe fruits and contains only natural sugars. Number B is sweetened juice. It is a liquid product which contains at least 85% juice and 10% total soluble solids. Pure fruit juices such as apple juice and orange juice are commercially manufactured. Apple juice is generally bottled, while other juices are canned. Blended juices. Sometimes two or more juices are mixed to yield a well-balanced, rightly flavored, highly palatable and refreshing drinks. Ready to serve or RTS. This is a type of fruit beverage which contains at least 10% fruit juice and 10% total soluble solids besides about 0.3% acid. It is not diluted before serving. Hence, it is known as ready to serve. Next product is nectar. This type of fruit beverage contains at least 20% fruit juice or pulp and 15% total soluble solids and also about 0.3% acid. It is also not diluted before serving. Squash. This type of fruit beverage containing at least 25% fruit juice, 40 to 50% total soluble solids, 1% acid, and 350 ppm of SO2 or 600 ppm of sodium benzoate. It is diluted before serving. Lime, mango, orange, and pineapple, raspberry, strawberry, grapefruit are used for making squash commercially. Flowchart for preparation of squash. Fruits, washing, trimming, cutting or grating, juice extraction, straining, juice measuring, preparation of syrup, straining, mixing with juice, addition of preservative, bottling, capping, and storage. Cordial. It is a sparkling, clear, sweetened fruit juice from which pulp and other insoluble substances have been completely removed. It contains at least 25% juice, 30% total soluble solids, 1.5% acid, and 350 ppm of SO2. This is very suitable for blending with wines. Lime and lemon are suitable for making cordial. The flowchart for processing of cordial is here. Fruits, washing, cutting into halves, juice extraction, straining, addition of preservative, storing in glass container for 10 to 15 days for clarification, siphoning off the supernatant clear juice, straining and measuring, preparation of syrup, straining, mixing of juice with syrup, addition of preservative, bottling, capping, storing in cool and dry place. Crush. This type of fruit beverage contains at least 25% fruit juice or pulp and 55% total soluble solids. It is more or less similar to squash, contains about 1% acid and is diluted before serving. Syrup. To prepare fruit syrup, the method used for squash preparation can be used. The TSS content of syrup should be at least 65%. Since the syrup strength is very high, to avoid crystallization, sugar is inverted by heating it in water to which small quantity of citric acid is added. Then syrups from extracts. Syrups are also prepared from extracts. Some popular syrup from extracts are rose syrup, sandal syrup, and almond syrup. Then the next syrup is synthetic syrups. Heavy sugar syrups of 70 to 75% strength is used as the base of all synthetic syrups and are flavored and colored with artificial essence, flavors, and color. They never contain fruit pulp or juice. A large portion of this syrup can, however, be replaced by real fruit juices, squashes, and syrups which are more nutritious. Different colors and flavors are added as required. Among colors, orange red, lemon yellow, green, raspberry red, etc. are mostly used, while artificial essence of flavors of rose, orange, pineapple, strawberry, lemon, etc. are added as flavoring substances. Fruit juice concentrates. A fruit juice from which water has been mostly removed by heating or freezing is known as concentrate. Carbonated beverages are prepared from these. They contain pure juice with at least 32% total soluble solids. In some countries, concentrates of pure fruit juice, particularly of orange, apple, pineapple, and grapes, are highly popular. The major methods used for production of fruit and vegetable concentrates are freezing and mechanical evaporation, low temperature vacuum evaporation, and high speed, high temperature evaporation. Fruit juice powder. Fruit juice can be converted into a free-flowing, highly hygroscopic powder by puff drying, freeze drying, vacuum drying, spray drying, or drum drying. The powder has the advantage of long shelf life and is soluble in cold water. But during the drying process, most of the characteristic fresh flavor is lost, which is compensated for by adding to the juice powder natural fruit flavor in powder form. Reconstitution of the powder mixture yields full-strength fruit juice drink. Techniques have been standardized by Central Food Technological Research Institute, Mysore, for preparation of powder from mango, orange, lemon, guava, passion fruit, banana, avocado, tomato, etc. Barley water. Fruit beverages which contain at least 25% fruit juice, 30% total soluble solids, and 0.25% barley starch is known as barley water. It also contains about 1% acid. Barley water is prepared from citrus fruits such as lime, lemon, grapefruit, and orange, and of these, lime and lemon are mostly used. It is prepared by using about 1 liter of fruit juice, 2 kg of sugar, 15 gram barley flour, and 1.3 liter of water. Essence and potassium metabisulfite may be added if desired. Carbonated beverages. The use of fruit juices in the preparation of carbonated drinks is practically unknown in India. Mostly, artificially flavored drinks which have no nutritive value are prepared by this method. The use of fruit juices would increase the nutritive value of carbonated beverages. One of the most important factors that relates to the taste of the bottled fruit juice beverage is carbon dioxide gas content or degree of carbonation. Carbonation is the process of dissolving or incorporating carbon dioxide in a beverage so that when served it gives off the gas in fine bubbles and has the characteristic pungent taste suitable to the carbonated beverage. In beverage manufacture, carbon dioxide not only provides the distinctive taste of carbonated drinks but also inhibits the growth of certain microorganisms. The juice can be directly carbonated or can be stored as such or in the form of concentrate or carbonation whenever necessary. Carbonated beverages can keep well for about a week without addition of any preservative. If the products are to be kept for a longer period, 0.05% sodium benzoate must be added. Lemonade, orangeade, ginger, strawberry, lime juice, etc. are examples of carbonated beverages. The next is fermented beverages. Fruit juices which have undergone alcoholic fermentation by yeast includes wine, champagne, port, sherry, tokay, muscat, perry, orange wine, berry wine, nira, and cider. Conclusion. Fruit beverages are highly refreshing, thirst-quenching, appetizing, easily digestible, and nutritionally far superior to synthetic drinks. The fruit beverages includes sweetened juices, squash, syrup, cordial, nectar, ready to serve for RTS, fruit juice concentrate, barley water, carbonated drinks, etc. Fruits most commonly used to prepare beverages are orange, lime, pineapple, grapes, cashew fruits, mango, apple, etc. Fruit juices are also fermented to produce wine, champagne, port, tokay, etc.